the rain jacket's the best.
Did you get a nice shot?
Oh, you want me not to be?
So nothing you can do.
Without beer, it's easily the best I can do.
But guess who didn't bring us beer?
Not this time. Packers roost when we're done.
Ah.
Special treat.
Mm-hmm.
A hillbilly margarita coming up for you.
Don't put that shit down. That's delicious.
It's delicious. This is where
Where are we headed?
We're going to go across this big talus field
Uh-huh.
and around the corner, and then there's a notch, and then we're going to go on the back side of Reynolds and go out.
Reynolds.
Yeah.
I get reminded of Reynolds, the actor.
Burt Reynolds?
Burt Reynolds.
Well, that's what this mountain's named
No,
after.
no.
Oh, yeah, it is. It is.
It's not.
Yeah, Burt Reynolds was so big in the 70s, they renamed it.
Hiking? He hiked it, no? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying someone was a real big fan of it.
Right.
And they just said it's Mount Burt Reynolds.
Whatever. Just makes shit up.
Hey, it was pretty good, though.
Uh,
So, Vita,
yeah.
what do we have there?
We have someone's arts and crafts over here.
Oh,
They forgot that this is not their private home or private bedroom. This is public, belongs to all of us, and you don't bring your personal shit here.
there you go. Leave no trace, right? So take care of that trace.